Hey guys, you're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I was able to assemble this beautiful playground for my daughter. The truth is that if you have children in the house and a lot of toys here and there, this is the best for you. So feel free, you can order in Amazon, Temu, Jumia, depending on your location and where you are. I got this from Temu and it came good, it came handy, it came lovely, and you can even move it around, dismantle it anytime. This is how I was able to assemble it. I was able to put it together, whatever. So if you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Mrs. Progress Innocent. So feel free to be a part of this channel. I share live updates, my life in the UK, things happening around me. So feel free to be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. To be sincere with you, subscription is free just for you to get an alert of my newest video. So grab your popcorn, relax, chill, and watch how you can put this together and make this beautiful playground for your children. Have you liked this video? If you have not liked my video, it's time to give me thumbs up. Like this video, appreciate this little work of mine. Yeah, I've been able to put it together and it's looking good already. Yay! Please like this video. Imagine this is looking so beautiful. So don't forget to like this video. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. I post live updates, things happening around me. Be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newer videos. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you all so much. Thanks a million for coming back again. Don't forget to like this video. I love you all. Bye bye.